Imagine the satisfaction of transforming a dull, neglected yard into a vibrant, beautiful oasis. That's the power of a landscaping business. This industry is about more than just mowing lawns. It's about breathing life into drab outdoor spaces, creating serene retreats, and enhancing the beauty of our surroundings. But let's not forget the practical benefits. With a high demand for these services, a landscaping venture can prove to be a profitable endeavor. Moreover, the startup costs are relatively low. You have the flexibility to work on your terms, be it part-time or full-time, and the ability to scale your business as you see fit. Plus, landscaping is an opportunity to make a positive environmental impact through sustainable practices and green solutions. If you're ready to reap these benefits and more, stay tuned as we delve into the step-by-step guide on starting your own landscaping business. The first step to starting any business is careful planning. And in landscaping, it's no different. Planning is the compass that will guide your business towards success. It starts with defining your target market. Who are you going to serve? Homeowners, commercial businesses, public spaces? Each comes with its own set of needs and expectations, and understanding these is crucial to shaping your services. Speaking of services, what will you offer? In the wide world of landscaping, there are numerous possibilities. From basic lawn care to elaborate garden design, from seasonal maintenance to sustainable landscaping. Your services should align with the needs of your target market, and of course your own skills and passions. Now, once you've pinned down your market and services, it's time to draft a business plan. This isn't just a document, it's the blueprint of your business, the foundation upon which everything else will be built. Your business plan should include a detailed overview of your business, including your services, target market, pricing strategy, and growth plans. But don't stop there. Dive into market research. Understand the landscaping scene in your area. Who are your competitors? What services do they offer, and at what price points? What are their strengths and weaknesses? This information will not only help you position your business effectively, but also identify opportunities and gaps in the market that you could fill. And while you're at it, don't forget to factor in economic trends and environmental regulations that could impact your business. Being aware of these broader factors will help you navigate any potential challenges and harness opportunities that come your way. Finally, consider your financial projections. How much do you expect to earn and spend in your first year? What about the next 5 years? These projections will not only help you manage your finances but also attract investors if you choose to seek external funding. Planning your business might seem like a daunting task, but it's a necessary one. It's about laying a strong foundation, setting clear goals, and carving a path towards them. Remember, a well-crafted business plan is your roadmap to success. After solidifying your business plan, it's time to make things official. The first step in the legal setup of your landscaping business is to form a limited liability company, or LLC. This isn't as complicated as it sounds. In fact, companies like Tailor Brands make it easy and efficient. By forming an LLC, you create a protective barrier between your personal assets and your business. In the unlikely event of legal issues, this barrier can save your personal finance from any potential business liabilities. Now, you may wonder, why Tailor Brands? Well, Tailor Brands simplifies the whole process. They provide a streamlined, user-friendly platform that guides you through each step of the LLC formation. It's a one-stop shop for all your LLC needs, and they even offer services beyond that, like obtaining your employer identification number, or EIN, which is crucial for tax purposes. Next up, we have permits and licenses. These are essential for operating legally in your city or state. The specific requirements may vary, so it's important to research the laws in your area. You might need a general business license, or perhaps a more specific landscaping license. Regardless, don't overlook this step. Operating without the necessary permits can lead to fines or worse, the closure of your business. Lastly, let's talk about insurance. In the landscaping business, you're dealing with heavy machinery and potentially hazardous conditions. Accidents can happen. That's why it's important to have insurance coverage. This could be general liability insurance, workers' compensation, or commercial auto insurance. The right coverage protects you, your employees, and your business from any unforeseen circumstances. So, let's recap. Form an LLC to protect your personal assets. Use a reliable service like Tailor Brands to make the process easier. Obtain the necessary permits and licenses to operate legally, and secure insurance coverage to protect your business from potential risks. While these legal steps may seem daunting, They are crucial for protecting your business and ensuring smooth operations. With the legalities out of the way, it's time to focus on the financial aspects of your business. Now, this is where things get real. First things first, you should establish a business bank account. This is not just a suggestion, it's an absolute must. Keeping your personal and business finances separate is essential for both tax and legal reasons. It not only simplifies your annual tax filing, but it also protects your personal assets from any potential business liabilities. Next on the list is obtaining an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service. This is the federal tax ID used to identify your business. You can think of it as a social security number for your company. It's free and you can apply for one online. If you're feeling a bit overwhelmed by the process, don't worry. Tailor Brands Company can assist you in obtaining your EIN, making the process smooth and hassle-free. Now let's talk about bookkeeping and payroll systems. These are crucial for tracking your income, expenses, and ensuring your employees are paid accurately and on time. There are numerous software options available that can automate these processes for you. Choose one that fits your needs and budget. Lastly, let's touch on potential startup costs for a landscaping business. These can vary greatly depending on the size and scope of your operations. Some of the main expenses you'll need to consider include equipment purchase or lease, licensing and insurance fees, marketing costs, and employee wages. It's essential to create a detailed budget to ensure you're adequately prepared for these expenses. Remember, starting a business is a journey, not a sprint. It requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to learn. It's important to stay organized, keep accurate records, and manage your finances wisely. Remember, keeping your personal and business finances separate is vital for tax and legal reasons. So, keep your eyes on the prize, and let's make your landscaping business bloom. Now that your business is set up, it's time to let the world know about it. This is where marketing comes into play, an essential aspect of any successful business. But what does effective marketing look like for a landscaping business? Let's delve into this topic. Firstly, a professional website is a must. This is often the first impression potential clients will have of your business, so it's crucial to make it count. Include clear, high-quality pictures of your work, list your services, and make it easy for clients to contact you. Remember, your website should reflect the quality and professionalism of your services. Social media can also be a powerful tool. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and even LinkedIn can be instrumental in showcasing your work and attracting new customers. Regularly posting photos of your completed projects, sharing tips and tricks for lawn care, and even giving a behind-the-scenes look at your operations can help you connect with your audience in a meaningful way. Networking with local businesses can also be incredibly beneficial. This can be as simple as introducing yourself to other local business owners, joining local business groups, or attending community events. By becoming an active member of your community, you increase visibility and foster relationships that can lead to customer referrals. But let's not forget the importance of customer service. In the world of landscaping, reputation is everything. A happy client is much more likely to recommend your services to their friends and family. So strive to exceed expectations and provide exceptional service at every turn. Finally, consider offering referral incentives. This could be a discount on future services for any client who refers a new customer to your business. It's a win-win situation that encourages clients to spread the word about your exceptional services. Remember, effective marketing is about building relationships and showcasing the value you bring to your clients. So, be consistent, be genuine, and let your passion for landscaping shine through in every interaction. This will set your business apart and help you attract and retain a loyal customer base. So, you're now equipped with the knowledge to start your own landscaping business. We've journeyed together through the allure of the industry, understanding its potential and the opportunities it presents. We've delved into the importance of meticulous planning, of knowing your niche, your competition, and your unique selling proposition. Our journey also took us through the crucial steps of legal setup, discussing the benefits of forming an LLC for your landscaping business, and how companies like Tailor Brands can make this process seamless. We've underscored the importance of setting up finances, managing your resources wisely, and the role of an EIN in your business. Finally, we've explored the art of marketing, of making your brand known to your target audience, using both traditional and digital strategies. Remember, every step is equally important in your business journey. With dedication, creativity, and hard work, you can transform your vision of a thriving landscaping business into a reality. Good luck!